Welcome back, everyone. Tonight we're going to be starting a new series on the JTS airguns. And instead of doing one long video covering many topics, we're going to shorten it down to short videos doing just, first this part of the gun, then this part of the gun. We're going to work on resealing the Foster fitting and the end cap on this one tonight. So before you start working on a PCP, the first thing you do is always make sure that you degas the gun. On this gun you will use a 5mm Allen wrench and take the action out of the stock. Set the action out of the way, or set the stock out of the way. You can leave the Allen wrench in the stock, or you can take it out and put it in your little parts bin. I highly suggest these magnetic screw holders or parts holders. It will make your life much easier if you happen to drop something or knock something while it's in that parts bin. You won't lose it. So on the JTS air guns, there's a bleed screw on the left hand side that will bleed the air out of the pressure tube. This is the regulator. This is the main tank gauge. This is the regulator gauge. This bleeds the air from here. On occasion, I have found you put a 2.5mm Allen wrench in it and loosen it. You'll hear the air leak out of the cylinder. I have found on occasion that after draining the high pressure side, I still have a little bit of pressure on the low pressure side. So I've always started now using an adjustable wrench and loosening the gauges just a little bit. You just have to loosen them a little bit. You don't have to take them all the way out. You'll let the pressure drain out completely. That way you're sure the gun is completely degassed and safe to work on. Once your pressure drops to 0, you can just run them back to finger tight, turn the gun around. Using that 2.5mm Allen wrench again, we're going to take loose the barrel band, loosen it, don't have to take the screw out. Take the barrel end cap off, set that out of the way. Pull the barrel band completely off. We're going to reattach it back to this end cap where the Foster fitting is, and that reseals up against the tank. Once we do that, we're going to retighten it with this 2.5mm Allen screw, and we're going to use that as a wrench to loosen this cap without twisting the pressure tube. Using that Allen wrench again, remove that, set off to the side. Unscrew this end cap. As you can see, it's quite a long thread. Take that. We can set the rifle off to the side for a moment. Now, we will replace this O-ring here in a moment, but right now we're going to worry about this Allen ring, this Foster fitting. We're going to put the barrel band back on the part, on the cap. Using the wrench, now we're going to loosen that Foster fitting. Under that Foster fitting is a nylon seal. You do have replacements of those in your JTS seal kit. Sorry about the interruption there. I had to take care of something right quick. So, if that inside there will be a plastic seal, a nylon seal, in your JTS O-ring parts kit. There are a few of them that you can choose from. They were all the same. If that seal on the inside of here is damaged, you will place that in there, and it will screw itself down whenever you put this in place. Inside this Foster fitting is absolutely nothing. So you'll make sure that that is sealed. There's no O-rings on it. You'll make sure there's no debris in here. Screw that down. Tighten that back up. Just like that. On the JTS Airacuda Max, that seal parts list, that seal is number 51. That white seal is. Now, to change the O-rings using a 2mm Allen wrench, inside here is a small silver screw. Using a 2mm Allen wrench, loosen that screw. Once it comes loose, on that screw you will see a 3mm by 1.5mm inside diameter 3mm O-ring. This is your check valve. This screw has a flat space milled on one side of it, right here, to allow air to seep past it. Goes in because of the cone-shaped head. It does not come back out. Very simple, very easy thing to do. In your JTS O-ring kit, you will take and find an O-ring that matches what you're looking for, which there again is a 3 by 1.5. Take the old ring out, put the new O-ring on. We will mate it up to this using just a dot of silicone. Oops, can't hang on anything. Put a little bit of silicone on it. Doesn't take a whole lot. Now, because sometimes things may not stick that well, it can help to take a magnet, attach it to your Allen wrench. Use that to hold that screw in place. And we'll put that screw into that little spot back in there. Making sure that the O-ring stays on it. Tighten it down, but you don't have to really force it closed. Just enough to snug it up. And it stops. Now, we're going to change this O-ring. Use an O-ring tool. Get under it. Pull it out. Find a replacement O-ring that matches it in your kit. That particular size O-ring is 23.5 by 2.5. We'll take a little bit of silicone oil, put it on there, lube it up, make sure there's no debris in the track right here. In case you're wondering, 23.48, 49, 23.5 is the internal diameter of that particular part. Put your new O-ring on here. There we go. That's back in. I'm going to remove this with that 2.5mm Allen screw. We'll set our tools out of the way. Bring this back over here. Make sure that's lubed. There is no debris. You can use a microfiber cloth to wipe off any debris that's anywhere it needs to be. Very carefully screw that back in. And you can tighten that back down. Take your 2.5mm Allen wrench and your barrel band. Tighten that back up. And just snug it up. You don't have to really reef on it real hard. Loosen the barrel band back up. Reinstall your barrel band. Tighten that back up. Tighten your gauges. You do not have to crank on them real hard. Just snug them back up, because under these gauges are those same white seals that you'll have more of in your JTS O-ring kit. If they're not damaged, don't bother changing them. This right here goes back in here. And just snugs down. Make sure your bleeder tool is closed. Put your gun back in the stock. Fill it full of air and do a test leak. There you go. That's how you do and replace the Foster fitting and your first Foster fitting and the first O-ring on JTS Airacuda Max. Thank you. Have a good evening.